It seems like you're looking for psychological and educational insights related to women's anatomy or psychology. Here's an informative article that explores psychological facts about women, anatomy, and related educational insights. Psychological and educational insights about women's bodies and minds. Introduction. Women's bodies and minds have fascinated scientists, psychologists, and researchers for centuries. From physical anatomy to emotional intelligence, women possess unique characteristics that shape their behaviors, thoughts, and interactions with the world. This article explores psychological facts about women, including biological aspects, emotional intelligence, cognitive abilities, and relationship dynamics. 1. The depth of female anatomy. More than just physical. The human vagina is an incredibly adaptive organ. On average, its depth ranges from 3 to 4 inches when relaxed but can expand significantly during arousal or childbirth. This adaptability is a natural feature designed to accommodate different physical and biological functions. Beyond the physical aspects, psychological factors also play a role. Studies show that a woman's mental state can influence her physiological responses. Stress, anxiety, and emotions can directly impact sensations and overall sexual health. 2. Women have higher emotional intelligence. Research suggests that women generally score higher on emotional intelligence (EQ) than men. They tend to be more aware of their emotions, empathetic toward others, and better at reading nonverbal cues. This ability helps in building strong relationships and fostering communication skills. A study published in the Journal of Applied Psychology found that women excel in leadership roles requiring emotional regulation, team building, and conflict resolution. Their ability to multitask and balance emotions often makes them strong leaders and caregivers. 3. Women's brains are more connected. Neuroscientific studies reveal that women's brains have more interconnectivity between the left and right hemispheres. This allows them to process emotions and logic simultaneously, which may explain their superior multitasking skills. A study from the University of Pennsylvania used MRI scans to show that women's brains exhibit stronger connections between the analytical and intuitive parts of the brain, making them excellent at problem-solving and decision-making in emotionally charged situations. 4. Women experience pain differently. Pain perception in women is different from men due to hormonal fluctuations, particularly estrogen. Women are more likely to experience chronic pain conditions like migraines, fibromyalgia, and arthritis. However, they also have a higher pain tolerance, especially during childbirth, due to the release of endorphins and oxytocin. Psychologically, women's response to pain is influenced by emotional and social factors. Studies show that support systems and mental strength can help women cope with pain more effectively than men. 5. Women's memory is stronger. Women tend to have better memory retention, particularly for emotional events. Research indicates that estrogen enhances memory formation, which is why women often recall details, conversations, and experiences more vividly. A study from Neurobiology of Learning and Memory found that women outperform men in memory tests, especially when recalling faces, words, and emotional experiences. 6. Women's senses are more acute. Women generally have a stronger sense of smell, taste, and hearing than men. Evolutionarily, this heightened sensory perception helped in identifying threats, nurturing children, and selecting food. Additionally, women are more sensitive to subtle emotional expressions, which helps in social bonding and caregiving roles. This ability to detect slight changes in tone, facial expressions, and body language contributes to their empathetic nature. 7. Women are more prone